For cleaning the washroom, we are going to clean the washroom for men, but it's the same way of cleaning even the ladies, except just for urinals that we clean in those of men. So the first step is to soak. By soaking, remember that we soak the hand wash. We soak all hand washes here. We soak with multi-purpose or multi-surface cleaner. Then we have to soak the urinal. The urinal, we soak it with toilet cleaner. Then we are going to soak also the toilet. After waiting for 5 minutes of soaking, now we are going to clean here. But before, I have to check the dustbin and take it out if there is something in. But there is nothing in here. It means it will remain there. And I'm going to clean. Here I'm going to clean with cream cleaner. It helps to scrub, because remember, cream cleaner is a scrubber product. It's very advisable than the powder one for the sink. Then after I wash with water. Then I'm going to dry with a dry cloth. The sink may remain shining and free from water. We dry also this side. Together with the tap. And I'm going to rinse. Then this is the last one of drying, but it's not mandatory to have 3. You may dry and you found that the space is not 100% dry. You can come back with the last mop. After cleaning, I have to check if everything is in order, if I'm not missing like amenities. But here we don't need soap because we use liquid soap from the soap holder. Then the rest I have to put in air freshener to give the good smell.